Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add page number in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video now you can see add page number. Now go to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for page number option. Now select from top left, top center, top right and bottom right, bottom center and bottom left. Now select from top left option. That is, now you can see then add from page number, then click for second page. Now show the page number 2. Now select from 3 page. Now select 3. That is, now you can see add page number in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for